In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Freshsales sales forecasting. Freshsales sales forecasting is a helpful way to estimate future revenue by comparing sales quotas against won deals and open opportunities. It gives your team a clearer picture of what is likely to close, what might close, and which deals are still too early to count on. This can make planning and decision-making much more accurate. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to Analytics. This is where Freshsales brings together reporting and performance data, making it the main area for reviewing trends, tracking results, and understanding your sales pipeline in more detail. Inside Analytics, choose Sales Forecast. This report is designed specifically to help you evaluate upcoming revenue based on the current status of your deals. It gives you visibility into how your pipeline is shaping up and how close your team is to reaching target numbers. Next, click on View Underlying Data. This feature is useful because it lets you look beyond the visual summary and access the detailed records behind the chart. In other words, instead of only seeing totals or grouped values, you can inspect the actual deal-level information that contributes to the forecast. This is especially helpful when you want to validate the numbers or understand what is driving the results. From there, select a filter. Filters help narrow the data so you can focus on a specific segment of your pipeline. This makes the forecast more relevant and easier to analyze. A good example is the Deal Stage is New filter. This lets you isolate deals that are currently in the new stage. Using this kind of filter helps you examine opportunities at the earliest point in the sales cycle and understand how they are contributing to your broader forecast. It's a simple way to break down your report into more meaningful views. After selecting the filter, click Apply. Once applied, the data updates to reflect only the records that match your chosen condition. This means the report now shows a filtered view of your forecast, allowing you to analyze a more targeted portion of your pipeline instead of the full dataset. You can also change the visualization for your chart. This is useful if you want to present the same forecast data in a format that's easier to read or better suited for your team. As you review the chart, keep the forecast categories simple and practical. Commit usually means very high confidence. Best case means possible, but not guaranteed. Pipeline refers to earlier or less certain opportunities. Omitted means the deal is not expected to close within the forecast period. Forecast categories should reflect a salesperson's realistic confidence that an opportunity will close within the forecast period. These categories should be updated based on customer commitment, deal stage, next steps, expected close date, and other supporting evidence. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.